Welcome to the beautiful new construction of Piper Glen in Oswego, Illinois. This is the Barclay model. Go from hopeless to homeowner, guiding you every step of the way. Find your dream home, click on the link below. Quit endlessly chasing existing homes to find out they don't meet your needs. With new construction, the dream home you've envisioned becomes a reality. I'm Keith Christ with Epic Realty, and with over 36 years of experience and a top 1% rating on Zillow, I specialize in turning your home dreams into reality, even when it feels impossible. Here's how I can guide you from hopeless to homeowner and save you money along the way. Builder's contract. I'll help you understand and negotiate the best terms, protecting your interest at all times. Get all of the builder's incentives, along with any special financing offers they have. Compare all of the builders, getting you the best price with the best options. Getting you alerted as soon as properties come on the market. Browse all new home communities as well as all the new home builders, as well as existing homes. Selecting the right lot. Advice on choosing a lot that meets your needs and offers the best investment potential. Design and upgrade decisions. I'll guide you on specializing upgrades that can increase the value of your home without you spending a lot of money to do it. I'll communicate with the builders, acting as your advocate with the builders to ensure that your home is completed to your specifications and standards in the right amount of time. Market analysis. I'll provide you a comprehensive market analysis to ensure that your new home is a sound investment. Closing assistance. I'll help you navigate the closing process, ensuring that every detail is noticed. Choosing expertise. Choose peace of mind. Choose Keith Christ with Epic Realty for your new construction purchase. Together we can turn the dream of home ownership into a reality, saving you money every step of the way. Find your dream home, click on the link below, or call me directly at 630-673-0306.